How to make barbecue pizza. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, extra virgin olive oil, plus more for brushing. A half pound, 240 grams, prepared pizza dough. 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons, 80 milliliters plus 44 milliliters, barbecue sauce. 1/8 ounce, 240 grams, skinless, boneless chicken breast. Kosher salt and freshly ground pepper, to taste. 2/3 cup, 67 grams, smoked Gouda cheese, grated. 2/3 cup, 67 grams, part skim mozzarella cheese, grated. A half small red onion, thinly sliced. Fresh cilantro for topping. How to make it. Preheat the oven and place a pizza stone on the top rack. Set your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, and allow it to preheat for at least half an hour. Make sure the oven racks are positioned in the upper third and middle of the oven, and set a pizza stone on the top rack. 1. If you don't have a pizza stone, use an inverted, round baking sheet instead and place it on the top rack. Roll the dough into a circle. Take your prepared pizza dough, and place it on a piece of parchment paper that's been brushed with olive oil. Use a rolling pin to roll it out into a 10-inch, 25 centimeters, round, using your hands to stretch if necessary, and set aside. 2. Once you've shaped the dough, you may want to brush the top of it with olive oil to add some flavor to it. Mix some of the barbecue sauce with some olive oil, and brush the chicken. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons, 44 milliliters, of barbecue sauce with 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, olive oil. Use a pastry brush to brush the mixture onto 1/8 ounce, 240 grams, skinless, boneless chicken breast and place in a baking dish. 3. Before applying the barbecue sauce, season the chicken breast with salt and pepper to taste. If you're short on time, you can use an already cooked rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. Shred or chop the chicken and toss it with the barbecue sauce mixture instead. Bake the chicken and cut into cubes when cool. Place the chicken in the oven on the middle rack. Allow it to bake until cooked through, which should take approximately 20 minutes. Let the chicken cool for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's comfortable enough to handle, and then cut into a 1/2 inch, 1.27 centimeters, cubes. 4. Don't turn the oven off after the chicken is done baking. You want to make sure that the pizza stone remains heated when it's time to put the pizza on it. Spread the rest of the barbecue sauce on the dough, and add the chicken, cheeses, and red onion. Cover the pizza dough with the remaining cup, 80 milliliters, of barbecue sauce, making sure to leave a 3/4 inch, 1.9 centimeters, border around the edges. Layer the cooked chicken. Cup, 67 grams, of grated smoked Gouda cheese. Cup, 67 grams, of grated mozzarella cheese, and a half of a small red onion that's been thinly sliced over the sauce. 5. Feel free to add whatever other toppings you might like to your pizza. Consider chopped red peppers or caramelized onions. Slide the pizza onto the pizza stone and bake until the cheese melts. When you're finished preparing the pizza, use a pizza peel or an inverted baking sheet to carefully slide it onto the pizza stone. Allow the pizza to bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the crust is golden. 6. The pizza stone will be extremely hot when you slide the pizza onto it, so take care not to burn yourself. When the pizza is finished baking and still hot, sprinkle some fresh cilantro over the top for garnish. Finished.